I really love how clean and neat it looks. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I just got finished putting up all my fall decor, and as you can see behind me, I'm gonna be putting it in the storage room. So I got rid of that stuff and I am getting ready to do my tree. You know, it needs to be fluffed and all that good stuff, so I'm gonna be doing that in just a second. Yeah, I just wanted to check in. I wanted to show you what it looks like, and before I put everything on. This is all my Christmas stuff right here. Let me see, in the living room, I'm going to be doing a couple of some stuff in here as well. And I'm definitely going to be doing my island. Most likely the island will look like last year. It's kind of dark in here because I have all the lights out and stuff like that. I got to clean my room up, which I'm about to do in just a second. And I am about to also need to clean my bathroom as well. So it's Sunday. I think it's Sunday I don't know, y'all. What's today? 27th? I don't know. 28th? I don't know. But I am excited because I'm off today. I'm off tomorrow too. My client was able to switch her appointment to Friday, which is really good because I could still get. I really wanted to make sure that my Christmas decor is up before I went back to work. So far, it's going according to plan. Yay! This is another Christmas video. I don't want to say Vlogmas because there is a chance I'm not going to be able to post every day, but I'm going to try to bring more videos for Christmas. So y'all stay tuned and let's get this thing started. Y'all, we are starting on the tree. I'm excited. It is actually 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm just joking. It's 7:03. It's 7:32. And we are working on it. Jackie's doing the ribbon. She's really good at that. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'm going to start putting the ornaments on. So I'm going to try to stay up as long as I can to get all of this done. And I will let y'all see the finished product. I'm excited about it. Yay. All that got to go on the tree, y'all.
2 days later.
Hey y'all, I am back. It is a new day. It's actually Tuesday, November, was it 29th? I don't know. But I went and did some more shopping, grocery shopping. So I want to do a quick grocery haul before I show you my Christmas decor, my Christmas tree, y'all. It is basically, it's finally done, y'all. It's finally done, and I'm excited, and I can't wait to show you all. But this is going to be a really quick haul. Trust me, it's not going to be a long haul. I just want to show you what I got. So I got these honey buns. We got some lightly salted dry roasted peanuts. We got some pie. I wanted to try this pasta salad, the tomato basil pasta salad. We got some salads. We're taking a break from all that Thanksgiving food. I don't want none of it. And we got some Special K cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, some Ruffles chips, some Pringles chips, and some Tostitos. Y'all, these chips are so good. The thin ones, oh my God, they are so good. You can eat them by themselves. It is so delicious. But y'all, let me turn around so you can see my face. I know y'all want to see me. Hey! But anyway, so today, I'm actually finished with the Christmas decor, and I've got some stuff done today. I was actually off today. Would y'all believe I was off Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday? So I had a 5-day break. I was able to move the one client I had today to tomorrow, and so the rest of the week I work. So I'm excited about that. I was able to record another video because I'm trying to get ready for Christmas, for my Christmas content, and so far I've done, let me see, I got about 4 videos ready, and I need to go ahead and get those up and running. I was trying to decide if I wanted to put my Thanksgiving vlog as one of the Christmas content, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and upload that ASAP, which will most likely be today, and today is Tuesday. So y'all will be seeing that tomorrow. And then my next video is going to start. Wait a minute. Wow. Y'all, Christmas is in like 2 days or something. Why y'all didn't tell me? Oh my goodness, I gotta edit. Oh God. Now y'all know. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna be giving y'all some Christmas content because I wanted to start my content on the 1st. But if it doesn't upload on the 1st, you're gonna get another video in the next couple of days right after the Thanksgiving vlogs. Okay, y'all, so this is the Christmas reveal. This is my island. I'm also going to show you with the lights on, but I wanted you all to see with it off first. As you can see, you got this, my candle. This candle came from Target, Wonderberry and Sage. It smells absolutely amazing. I love the vibe. I love the pine cones. Last year I didn't use pine cones, and I decided to use these white ornaments that came from Hobby Lobby. So I was able to get the beads, came from Hobby Lobby as well, the deer from Hobby Lobby, and I had these cones from last year. So I just wanted you all to see. Added a small touch to my console. Those came from At Home. And I had this since last year. Merry Christmas. All this came from Happy Lobby. This candle also came from Target, and the decor inside of the bowl came from Hobby Lobby as well, and Target. So it's a mixture. This was garland. We decided to keep it as, you know, like a candle type ring, which is really cute. Floral decor, you know, of course, came from Hobby Lobby. I love it, y'all. It's so cute. Now I'm going to show you how everything looks with the lights on. I wanted you all to see it with the lights off at first. So hold on 1 second. Lights on, y'all. Love this. So y'all, I love how everything turned out. I'm extremely excited about it. Me and Jackie, we did it together. We took our time, made sure everything was perfect. It's minimal, but it gives a nice vibe. It's calming, it's relaxing, and that's what I was going for. I didn't want a bunch of stuff all over the house. I just wanted to definitely touch up on my island. I wanted to make sure there was something on the table. I wanted to make sure the office had a little nice feel to it. I wanted the tree to be as full as possible, which is what I love. I also wanted to do something with this table. So I did go out and make a few purchases, but I didn't do any major purchases. The only thing that I could say that I invested in was the floral decor from Hobby Lobby. I think I went to Hobby Lobby maybe like 3 times. I love it. I'm happy. It looks so good in here. I wish that you can all actually see it in person because it looks so good, and I'm excited about it. I mean, I just love the holidays anyway as it is. I wanted to go with something whitish. I want to stick to like white Christmas. When I was growing up, we had a lot of colors and stuff like that, and I just wanted to get away from that. Last year, I had some blue in the tree. I'm not sure if you all remember, but this year I took the blue out and just decided to go with white, silver, and some brownish tones and stuff, like brownish colors and stuff like that. So that's why you see brown. You see a lot of brown. You got brown in the tree. I got brown on my table. I got some brown on the bookshelves, and I got brown on my island. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor, share this video. Hopefully I'm giving y'all some inspiration, or giving y'all some inspiration for next year. But give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and ask away in the comment section. I will leave some of the stuff in the description box. And again, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for vibing out with me and stuff like that. I'm really like y'all, I'm just so excited. I got the fireplace going from YouTube. I like that. But yes, and then another thing too, it's about the cleanliness part of it. That's what I really love. I really love how clean and neat it looks. But again, so I will talk to y'all later in the next video. And y'all have a great night, great weekend. And like I said, I hope I inspired some of you to want to do something different with your Christmas decorations. Y'all have a great night. Bye, y'all.